Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara for anyone who is new here, and in today's video I'm going to speed clean almost the entire house. I hope this video gives you all the motivation you need to clean.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
I'm starting with making our bed, and that always motivates me to keep going. If you feel very unmotivated to clean, just start with the smallest or easiest task instead of a big project like cleaning your kitchen, because you will feel accomplished from the beginning and that will only motivate you to keep going.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Now I'm moving into the living room, which was pretty clean on this day. I will just straighten the couch a little and wipe everything down with antibacterial wipes.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
I will finish in here with vacuuming the floor. This room gets vacuumed so much, sometimes even twice or 3 times a day because all of the dog hair.
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this, never like, never like, never like, never like, never like, never like, never like. When it hurts like this, never like.
Now I'm moving into the kitchen and I'm putting away everything that is on the table so I can wipe it down, and for that I'm going to be using Ziv Power and Shine All-Purpose Cleaner and Wet Cleaning Cloth.
We hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy.
Now I will put away all the clean dishes to make space so I can wash the dirty ones. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sara and I make motivational cleaning videos here on my channel. My goal is to motivate you to clean your own home with me. If you're cleaning with me, tell me in the comments what you managed to get done. I really love reading those comments. And if you need more motivation after this video, I always have my cleaning playlist linked in the description below. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Now I'm cleaning the stovetop with this Dr. Beckman glass stovetop cleaner, and then I will finish washing the dishes before I move to the counters.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter.
Now I'm emptying the trash can and I will wipe it down with antibacterial wipes and put fresh bag back inside, and then I will start vacuuming in here.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
Now I will start a lot of laundry and I'm just showing you what I'm using, and I will also sort the clothes that are on the floor.
You always show 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
And now I'm back in our bedroom and I will vacuum in here and on the hall, as well as in laundry room at the end.
Reaching for stars. I wonder where you are.
Day by day, desperate fight. My fears are waiting for me at the outside. Overwhelmed, feeling low. I'm the star in this depressing one-man show. Wish I would be able to flee, but I'm not stable. Wouldn't stand a chance, it's just too much to handle. I need an inspiration, another world I have to see. I travel with my portal station to a place of fantasy. Whatever I wanna be, nothing blocks me, I'm free. Gonna beat my enemies. As a king or as a knight, I will reign, I the life I don't belong. With might and with force, I'm winning the war. No fears, here is where I'm truly strong. Where should I stay? Where should I stay? Please take me away.
That is everything for today's video. It's a little bit shorter, but I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it motivated you. If you cleaned with me, don't forget to tell me in the comments what you accomplished, and if you made it this far, leave me a flower emoji in the comments and hit that like button if you enjoyed. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!